Well, I guess to go back to one of your earlier questions about the revival of interest in Yiddish culture, along with that, I would add that there is a revival of use among American Jews of certain Yiddish words. And I've been studying this recently, not only in my survey, but also in the Jewish English press. So some of the words that I've looked at, for example, shul and daven, are both coming back. Younger people are more likely than older people to use words like this, along with bench and drosh and some other, well, drosh is a little different, but along with some other Yiddish words and also expressions like staying by them and coming to us. If you look at the data from my survey, you see a trend upward, that younger people are more likely than older people to use words and expressions like these. And so I analyze this as part of this revival of interest in Yiddish, but that happened in an interesting way, because these are words that are connected to the religious domain. So Yiddish is having an impact on Jewish English through religious communities, and that's a really interesting phenomenon that's going on in Yiddish today.